Hello, it's me again. So we are in this second part of the lecture. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you the tricks that I mentioned earlier, how to choose U and B plum. Okay, these tricks I found when I was in college. So I just found them while I was working on some. They work most of the time, so please use them if you can. Now, how do we choose U? You want to choose U so that derivative of U or U prime is getting somewhat simpler than U itself. Okay, for example, you can pick U to be any polynomial will work. Okay, log will work as well because derivative of log of x is just 1 over x. Now, I wouldn't want to do U. I wouldn't want to choose U to be exponential because the real exponential is just itself or sine and cosine. It wouldn't change as much. Now, for the v prime, you want to choose v prime so that the v is solvable. Or in other words, you should be able to find v pretty easily. Okay. So, for example, v prime could be just anything that you know it's an antiderivative, like square root. Of course, polynomial will work. E, sine, cosine will work too. Okay, now I wouldn't want to choose v prime to be, for example, log of x, because it's really difficult to find antiderivative of log of x. Okay, now for the rest of this video, I'm going to show you another example of integration by parts. So here we're going to look at another example, number 2. I'm just going to pick this one. This is this problem. It's similar to one of your homework questions. Okay, you got x squared log of x, and we need to identify u and v prime. So like I said, you want to pick u so that you know that its derivative is simpler than u itself. So if you pick u to be x squared, then the derivative of u is 2x, so that looks simpler, right? 2x is simpler than x squared. Or if you do log of x, the derivative of log of x is 1 over x, so it's simpler as well. So either u equals x squared or u equals log of x will work. Now let's move on to v prime. If you choose u to be x squared, then v prime will have to be log of x. If you choose u to be log of x, then v prime will have to be x squared. So you got two choices, right, to do here. I mean, of course, there's no problem with your u, because the derivatives of u for these two choices will get simpler. But let's look at v prime. Okay, if we choose v prime to be x squared, then v itself is very easy to find. Antiderivative of x squared is x to the third over 3. However, if you choose v, this is your v, okay, v prime to be log of x, this will get really complicated. Okay, really complicated. It will be very difficult to find a derivative of log of x. We don't have formula for it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna choose choice number 2. Okay, so we got u log of x, and v prime is x squared. Okay, now step 1, we go ahead and find u prime. Okay, which is 1 over x, and v and I already mentioned is x to the third over 3. Now you go ahead and use the formula, integral x squared log of x dx. Your x squared is v prime, and log of x is u, right? Now you use the formula, use v minus integral v u prime. Okay. Okay, let's continue. So far we got integral x squared times log of x dx is ub times v minus integral v times u prime. Now we're going to go ahead plug in u, v, and u prime formula. Your u is log of x, v is x to the third over 3 minus integral. Your v is x to the third over 3. Your u prime is 1 over x. Okay. So let's simplify this a little bit further. You got x to the third log of x over 3 minus, we can put out this 1/3 here from the integral. And then x to the third times 1 over x is just x to the third divided by x, which is really just x squared. Okay. Alright, now we're almost done. Okay. So what we have so far, just gonna continue here. So we got x to the third over 3 log of x minus 1/3 minus 1/3. Now integral of x squared dx is just x to the third over 3. And type of x squared is you increase the power by 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and then divide by the power itself plus c. So the final answer is here. X to the third over 3 log of x minus x to the third over 9 plus c. Okay, there's your final answer. Right here. Okay, now like I said, post your homework questions on Facebook, and if I have time I could come back and record more videos for you. And I'm sorry we have another snow day, but here is what I come up with, and hopefully these 2 videos are helpful for you.